The Gamo Extreme CO2 combines innovation, power, and action into one amazing air rifle. Gamo's new quick recharge valve system, speed pump repeater, and rotary magazine allow the shooter to fire 10 22 caliber pellets at full power in under 8 seconds. The gun features a precision rifle composite barrel fitted with adjustable fiber optic sights and a 3 to 9 by 40 scope. It includes a multi-shot speed pump repeater, 10-pellet rotary magazine, and a new high-pressure quick recharge valve system. The gun also features a rugged anti-shock composite stock with rubber grips and a 2-stage trigger. Click the More Info button to pause the video and read more details about this gun. The Gamo Extreme CO2 is the first air rifle of its kind to be able to shoot 10 pellets at full power in rapid time, powered by an 88-gram CO2 cylinder. Not only does the 88-gram CO2 cylinder ensure each shot is at high power, it also allows the gun to fire up to 200 shots on a single cylinder. Click the Read Reviews button to pause the video and read customer reviews of this item. Let's see the Gamo Extreme CO2 in action. Click the Buy Now button to get this gun along with all the needed ammo and accessories only at airgundepot.com.